Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about the latest update, size and the features and what are the bugs got fixed in the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes friends, right now the Realme GT Neo 2 users are actually receiving the update, started to receive the update. Not all of them, only few of them. Yes, the Realme, they'll try to send the updates in batch wise. Not all the users will be getting at the same day. It's not like that in the Realme phones because they'll try to send in the batches wise. So maybe you might be receiving after 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. It will take some time. So I'm getting plenty of comments on this Realme GT update size as well. So let me need to show you exactly the comments. So these are the comments which I'm getting regarding the update. So whenever I see this kind of comments, I'll ask them to send me the screenshot regarding the update size and features. So I can actually go through the list, what is happening. So that's what I'm going to show you friends in this video. I'll let you explain what are the bugs got fixed in the Realme GT Neo 2. Is there any touch sampling rate related issues or not? That's what I'm going to mainly concentrate on this in this video. So first let me need to open the screenshot which has been sent by one of the user. The main reason is because my phone did not receive the update. Yes, it did not receive. This is the October security patch update which the Realme GT Neo 2 did receive. Yes, and this is a first update for this phone as well. So the update size is of 284 MB size. You can clearly see friends, 284 MB size, not bad. And you can clearly see the date received is on 20th of October. Exactly starting from today, a few of the users will be getting the update. As I said, so friends, not all the users will be getting on same day. Maybe it will take some time. Only one phone, only one company which I did feel kind of reliable. In terms of sending updates on same day is OnePlus phones. They do get instant. Within, I think on the same day, within close to minutes and hours only, all the users will be receiving instantly. But it doesn't happen in this way in the Realme phones. So you should definitely understand. So this update includes the Android security patch and fixed some known issues and improved the system stability as well. Not bad. So first thing, let me just show you the exactly. So Android security patch is updated to the October month, which is also mentioned clearly. October month, which is updated. That's also another thing. And next is regarding the optimized system stability and all those things. And touch panel, I think they did mention something about the optimized touch firmware update and improved the some control experience. So maybe the touch sampling rate might be slightly different, I think so, but that's another thing. I'm going to test once I get update in my phone, then definitely I'll be able to do the testings and fix the issue of the excessive and unsmooth sliding screen in some game scenarios and fix the issue of low probability of false points on the touchscreen in some scenarios. Not bad. So these are the issues which got fixed, and regarding everything related to the touchscreen, some panel got fixed. And next is regarding the camera, not bad. So in the camera also, optimize the sharpness of 64 megapixel and improve the dark area affection. So maybe the night mode and low light photography may be slightly improved, but I'm going to do the testings. So yes, I do feel the low light photography is not that great in this phone. That is another my major complaint. Next is optimize the color performance in some scene of front camera scene, in some front scenes. Yes, front camera is also slightly smoothens my face. I did see that issue. And optimize the camera performance, improved the probability preview freeze issue in some scenes. So probability of previewing, sometimes it gets frozen, but I did not have any kind of issues. Optimize the network connection in some scenarios. So network connection also got slightly optimized. So these are the few things you should definitely know friends regarding the latest update in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Let me know in the comment section below how many of the users who are using the Realme GT Neo 2 did receive the update. I did not receive the update. I'm expecting the update to be arriving in my device, but till now I did not get it. I need to wait for a couple of days. Only then I'll be able to get that. That's kind of weird, but still I need to wait it. That's it friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.